What's up, everybody? We have quite a number of tool deals today. It was actually too many. I couldn't even go through them all. I'm gonna have to continue this video tomorrow. So, with that said, let's go ahead and get into it. But first, I just want to say, if you get any value from these videos, please consider liking, subscribing, leaving a tip if I save you some money. I greatly appreciate it. It helps the channel out a lot. And feel free to join the Facebook group where there are plenty of deals there, which once again I didn't check today because I found my own. All right, here we go. So 2 days ago now, I posted a video because I was off yesterday. I spent some time with the family. But you see this deal right here? $549. What was it, like $349, $359 2 days ago? I told y'all that was a good deal. I told you. It's almost $200 off. And I think this was also like $199. This deal right here is $378. So if you snoozed, you losed. Okay? I know it's lost, but you get what I'm saying. What I'm trying to do there. So anyway, there are still some good deals on this whole page. It's 107 deals. And I went through 2.5 pages. Well, actually, I went through 3 pages, and I brought them all up over here. So let's just get to them. So first up, let's click all this stuff off. We have this 4-in-1 Milwaukee drill driver. Now, this is brushless, but spec-wise on paper, it's not as good as the Metabo 3-in-1. But the Metabo is missing this offset accessory. You have to purchase that. It also doesn't have this hex accessory either because it's built into the tool. So it's 3-in-1, but you only get 2 of those. You get the regular drill and you get the right angle. You have to purchase this offset, and that's like $50. But matter of fact, we have it up. We have the thing up. Oh, you see all this? Yeah, I'm gonna get to this. I'm gonna get to all that. It's lots of deals today, and it's $59.95 for the whole kit: hard case, battery, the drill driver, 2 accessories, all that. $59.95, right? So obviously, I recommend getting that personally. That's what I did, and I like it a lot. But this is normally $179 itself. All right, this whole Milwaukee. If you bleed red, here you go. It's normally $179, and you get an oscillating tool for extra. Shoot, not even $25. Not even $20. Extra $15. That's right. $179. That's one. Yeah, for an extra $15, you get this oscillating tool. Crazy deal. Crazy deal if you're bleeding red. Okay. Now, let's move on. We have this drill driver. We all know that this is on sale currently for $179, and they're throwing in this tire inflator. This is alright because it's normally $100 itself, so it's what, like $70 here. But I've heard lots of complaints about this thing. I heard it like really eats through batteries really fast, and it won't do all your tires if they all low and need it. You need like at least a 4-amp-hour battery to get through it. So keep that in mind. All right, you might have better success with it. Cool thing is, if you don't like it, you can just return it. But since it's not a hack deal here, you'd have to return the entire thing if you didn't like it. So there's that too. Moving on to some really good stuff. There's a lot of good stuff. We have the standard impact and drill driver, right? This is old. All right, they have a new version replacing these. That is why these are like, there's lots of sales here. But normally during the holiday season, this was $3.99, and you got to choose from a free gift. I think the jigsaw was one of them too. I don't know, but here's what's happening: you're getting all this for $385, and you still get to choose a free gift. See, before it was just take the jigsaw out for $3.99, and you got to choose the jigsaw, but that was it. Here is everything. You get the jigsaw and all that. You get to choose a free gift. So you come over here, you find what you want. You don't know. Keep in mind, all these are non-fuel tools. Now, over the holidays, they were giving away fuel tools with this, but hey, this jigsaw is, like I said, this is basically a holiday deal, but cheaper, and you get a free gift. Now, if you want to hack the thing, what you do is find the most expensive thing, add both the card, because you're like, I don't want those non-fuel things. And that's fine. And it makes this thing $272.47. So I don't think I need to tell you that that's an incredible deal. $272.47 for 2 5-amp-hour batteries, and these are XC batteries, by the way. They're not HO batteries, but they're XC batteries, and those are still very, very good. It's only a 20% difference in power between the HO and the XC batteries. And then most of the HO batteries are, especially if it's like a 3.0 battery, smaller. But these are 5.0 batteries. So there you go. So you get two 5.0 XC batteries. You get the dual charge. You get a hard case. You get the hammer drill. You get the impact driver. You get the fuel jigsaw. Okay. And that is all $272. That's crazy. That's not even $100 for each tool. Okay. So really, really good deal there. Incredible. Moving on. Now, real quick, while we on here though, while we're here, okay, so I had to like take a moment. I remember watching a video comparing all of the jigsaws. Well, not all of them, but the Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, and the Metabo HPT. And this one was a fail. It didn't perform as well as the DeWalt. DeWalt pretty much blew them all out of the water. So I'll leave a little link to that video over here. You can see this thing perform. It did vibrate like crazy. So anyway, now moving on to the other two tools. Now everyone has seen this impact driver in action. All right, it's very good. It is loud and it sounds like how powerful it is. Okay, it's loud, but it's a good tool. Really, what I want to say, I want to talk about this hammer drill. It is very uncomfortable. It's actually the worst hammer drill I've ever held in my life. There's this little piece under the trigger. Just the whole trigger, this whole section over here is wrong. It's just wrong. And it's not ergonomically friendly. It hurts. It pinches your hand. It pinches your finger. It's not good. It's very compact. It's very powerful, but it's not a nice tool to wield. Okay, so I just want y'all to know that before you get into it. They're very powerful, good tools, but they're not all that comfortable. So keep that in mind. Moving on, we have the M18 Impact Driver alone with this high output 3.0 battery, 129. This is usually 149, and you're getting, but for 129, there's only 149 alone. But for 129, you're getting this with the battery, and this battery is also normally $150. Now here's the weird thing: it says new, new. I'm like, is this the new Gen 4? All right, so I just looked it up. It's not the new one. The new one's 2953. This is 2853. So it's the old one. It's just apparently a new bundle deal. So there you go. Moving on, we have this a very similar deal to the last one with the jigsaw, hammer drill, impact driver. But in this one, you get the fuel M18 one-handed reciprocating saw now, or a hacksaw. Let Milwaukee tell it. This is pretty good. This has a nice stroke to it, good power, and it's 353. And when you add them to cart, which I've already done, it breaks down to be 243.38. All right. So this breaks down to be 243.38 for all three of these tools and these two batteries, case, and all that. Excellent, excellent, excellent deal. If you're bleeding red and you don't care about how this pinches your fingers, you don't care. I want Milwaukee. I want it. There you go. And finally, I wanted to show you guys, and I've showed you this before, but it's all over Slick Deals. And it's so funny because people are like talking about it like I didn't post on this like a week and a half ago. But here, this is the impact driver. And again, in this case, you get to add the battery to the cart. So it's the same deal as the other one over here, but you can hack it. If you don't want the battery, you can hack it this way. And this comes out to be $67. There you go, $67.10. I showed you guys that before. Moving on, I'm going to run through this quick because it's only 48 hours for this sale over at Ohio Power Tools. And that's how I got put on the Ohio Power Tool in the first place. This is like last year. They were having like these crazy quick deals on Milwaukee stuff. And that's how I got put onto them. And now they have crazy deals on Metabo things. Crazy. It's just crazy. So they have this same deal. Wait a minute. Is this the same deal? It's interesting. All right, so yeah. All right, so the crazy thing is, like, the way this is set up, my tabs, everything over to the right, I opened up first. And I didn't realize, I saw this deal. I'm like, man, that's a great deal. It's $199. But over here at Home Depot, the same deal is $194. So I'm just going to, instead of talking, I'm just going to leave this page here. and let you guys go through it. Okay, I'm going to leave this page here and let you guys decide what's good for you. Compare it to Home Depot, because now all of a sudden that's not the best deal. All right, now with these, you're getting free batteries with them. I don't. Maybe this hedge trimmer might be okay. It is 24 inches. Keep that in mind when you buy hedge trimmers, the length of the actual trimmer itself. Down here, I don't like this deal because again, you're missing the impact driver. I don't like the hammer drill, or this is just a drill driver. It's not even a hammer drill. So I don't like the feel of this thing in your hand, but you get a free reciprocating saw or a free battery with this for $229. They have similar deals over at Home Depot. And now down here you have your DeWalt Buy More Get More. I'm not particularly fond of these either, which is crazy because look, you spend $199, you get the power stack. You spend $349, and you just get an extra battery and a bag and a charger. Is it a tool in this bag? That's not a good deal at all to me. So keep that in mind as well. And finally, I did just want to show you guys, like I started using this Metabo Impact. It says Impact wrench, but it's an Impact driver a lot, and it's brushed, and it's an old tool, and it's like already for like 1,000 inch-pounds, but it's good. Hasn't been anything I couldn't do with it yet. And again, I'm just bringing that up to illustrate that you don't need the 2,000 inch-pounds of power. Okay, you don't need the brushless thing. Sometimes just a well-built tool will work just fine, and Metabo is that. This thing is $39.95. It's not on this page. I'll leave a link to it, but I paid $39.95 for it. Now, it's $75 for this. It comes with the kit. It comes with the hard case, which they don't show, which is, again, Metabo, you need me to help you market properly. That comes with the hard case. It doesn't show. It comes with the battery. It comes with the tool, and it comes with the charger for $75. It's crazy. But I don't recommend you buy this. I would recommend you buy this tool only for $39.95. Then come over here and spend $60. So you all in $95 as opposed to the $75. For extra $20, you get this 3-in-1 drill driver kit as well. 2 hard cases, because the tool only also still comes with a hard case for $39.95. And yeah, to me, that's a much better value. You end up with 2 batteries. Well, you only have 1 battery over here, but that's all you need. So you have the battery, you have this, and if you really want to get froggy, you see there's a difference between these 2 drills. So this is one drill, this is another drill, and if you notice, this chuck is longer than this one. This is brushed, this one's brushless. This one right here comes with their high output, 2 4-amp-hour high output batteries, and these are all 12-volt tools. I have this as well. They feel very light. They feel like toys in your hand, but well-built toys. They're quiet. They're smooth. I mentioned it again. They're smooth and they're cheap. Again, with the hard case, the charger, 2 4-amp-hour batteries, and this chuck here. Honestly, you don't really quite need this because this chuck can be removable. And it's not a quick release like how this one is. These orange things are the quick releases. But this, you have to unscrew it and it can pull off, and then you could throw a quick release one on there. So this is basically like a 3-in-1. You can buy the different adapters and put them on there, and you can have this. So anyway, I have all 3 of these, and I'm happy with them. I don't use this very much because it's kind of redundant, especially because I have this. And in some cases, this came with the right angle free, so it really was redundant to have any of this. So anyway, I've talked enough. That's it for today's deal. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.